Look at here, YouTube friends. This are cabbage seedlings here. We planted those seeds that are expired already, and hola, it's a surprise to me. They're still growing. These are Sida tomato seedlings, and I've seen here, like, see that one? Yeah, that blue one with that embryo coming out. That is our F1 hybrid purple eggplant. And this one is Black Beauty from an Australian friend. See that one? They started growing as well. And I'll show you later on this afternoon. Later this afternoon about our beetroot. They are also growing there, right inside that garden enclosure, as protection from the chicken. So thank you, YouTube friends. I'll give you more update to this. So this would be daily update as well, and upload the video once I arrive at school, since I have to do a lot of things today. Thank you. See you and in the next vlog. Bye.